Today, we're making pomegranate blackberry sauce with pork tenderloin. Here are the ingredients you'll need. In a shallow bowl, stir together the ground cumin, ground coriander, black pepper, paprika, and salt. This aromatic blend will create a flavorful crust for our pork tenderloin. Pat the pork tenderloin dry with paper towels. Dredge the tenderloin pieces in the spice mixture, ensuring they are evenly coated on all sides. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat. Cook the tenderloin for about 3-4 minutes per side until it develops a golden brown crust and is cooked to your desired doneness. Once cooked, remove the tenderloin and let it rest before slicing. Now let's prepare our pomegranate sauce. We'll need pomegranate juice, blackberries, and a few other key ingredients. Simmer the pomegranate juice with blackberries and other ingredients until the sauce thickens slightly. This will create a luscious accompaniment to our pork tenderloin. Heat olive oil in a 12-inch heavy skillet over medium-high heat until hot but not smoking. Reduce the heat to moderate and cook the pork tenderloin, turning occasionally until the meat is browned on all sides. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes. Once browned, transfer the pork to a cutting board with tongs and cover. Let it rest for 5 minutes. Discard the fat from the skillet and add the pomegranate juice. Bring it to a boil over medium heat. Reduce the liquid by about 2/3, which should take around 3 to 5 minutes. Add the white wine and heavy cream, continuing to boil for another 2 to 3 minutes until the sauce thickens slightly. Taste the sauce and, if needed, add sugar to balance any bitterness. Season with salt to taste. Lower the heat and swirl in the butter until it melts into the sauce. Add the blackberries and simmer for 1 minute, allowing them to warm and soften slightly in the sauce. Slice the rested pork tenderloin and serve it with the pomegranate blackberry sauce. This dish features a beautifully spiced pork tenderloin complemented by a rich, fruity sauce made with pomegranate juice, blackberries, and a touch of cream. It's perfect for a special dinner or to impress guests with a blend of savory, sweet, and tangy flavors.